melon plum milkshake or winter melon plum milk smoothie, one of the tastiest of the winter melon recipes and one of the most unique of the smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the healthy smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the best milkshake recipes and one of the most unique of the plum recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the winter melon recipes and one of the most delicious of the milk recipes. Today we are going to make plum winter melon milk smoothie. We've taken around 100 to 150 grams of winter melon, around 100 grams of plum, 50 grams of sugar, and the plum pieces and the sugar. Close and grind well. Winter melon pieces. Close and grind well. Pour in milk. Close and blend well. Now winter melon plum milk smoothie is ready and can be poured into the glasses. Pour the smoothie into the glass. This is the final winter melon plum milk smoothie or winter melon plum milkshake, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the plum recipes, one of the most delicious of the plum milkshake recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the melon smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the milk recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the healthy smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the milkshake recipes.